My name's Petroleum. I'm the Head of Fleet Services, Check and Compliance for Hire Gas and Petroleum Logistics Limited.
We deliver fuels, gas and bitumen throughout the UK and Ireland.
We have a legal obligation to ensure that we've got an infrastructure in place to deal with the emergency response associated with any major incident on the highway.
I'm Matthew Young. I work for Adler and Allan, and I'm the Head of Client Services and Contracts. We're here to support Hoyer, carry out an exercise where a tanker is rolled over, and we're providing the spill containment, clean-up of waste product that's been spilt, and we're also going to decant, remove product from the tanker in a safe way on board, take it onto one of our tankers to transfer that on as neat product.
We tend to do real live exercises once every 3 years. We want to test our emergency response procedures. We want to make sure that they are fit for purpose, they're robust, and when we come to need to activate them, we feel confident that they're going to work.
It's really important to carry out an exercise so that when this does happen, everyone's rehearsed, processes are tested, because this sort of thing doesn't happen regularly, and it's not an incident to walk into without having tested it. So great to have a contingency plan, great to have the trained people who know what to do and execute that plan and are experienced and practiced in doing so. On today's exercise, we have provided spill containment, so stop any product spreading any further. We have emptied out any drains, and we would look to see if that has spread down to any watercourses, essentially put containment in place, clean up the spilt product, removers of waste. That would include any fire foam and any contaminated debris. That would be taken to one of our hazardous waste transfer stations for disposal. We've accessed the stricken tanker and decanted the product onto one of our vehicles to move that on for the customer.
I'm Carl Nevitt. I'm the Station Manager, Operational Assurance Training Team for Cheshire Fire Rescue Service. Well, within Cheshire footprint, there's a large motorway network, and it's important to test our emergency response procedures to incidents involving road tankers because there's a lot of fuel moved around on the motorway systems of Cheshire. It's vital to have companies like Adler and Allan involved in the recovery and clean-up of the motorway networks and the road systems within the country. We just respond to the initial life-saving, property preservation and protecting the environment. But once we've kind of undertaken our work, then it's over to the recovery companies, and companies like Adler and Allan are a fundamental part of that to make sure that we can open up the road networks again.
We work across many different industries and for lots of different customers. So we can take best practice from different industries like the marine industry, where they have a lot of testing and exercising, it's mandated, it's legislated, and we can apply that to the land side. Couple that with the experience we have in actually attending exercises and the variety that we attend. I don't think there's anyone else that has the breadth of experience.
We've worked with Adler and Allan now for a number of years. We have agreements in place, we have service level agreements, we have documented policies and procedures. They actually engage in higher incident controller training to get a clear understanding of what our expectations are. But the bottom line is Adler and Allan provide us the all-round level of support we need when we're dealing with a major incident.